What if AI did more than just answer questions? What if it could actually help you get things done in real life? That is SenseSpace, AI from knowing to doing. On SenseSpace, users simply tell what they want, and AI helps turn that intent into real outcomes. For brands and service providers, that means capturing real demand at the moment it happens, with stronger purchase intent and higher conversion. Let's say you want to upgrade your motorcycle, repair damage, or create a new custom look, but you are not sure where to start, what parts fit, or how much it will cost. With MotoSmith, you just describe your goal and upload a photo of your bike. In seconds, MotoSmith creates a personalized upgrade or repair plan based on your needs and your budget. You can compare the before and after look, explore details such as lighting effects from upgraded LEDs or the sound of an upgraded exhaust, and get a much clearer sense of the final result before making a purchase. And when you are ready, MotoSmith can directly order the right parts and services from trusted suppliers, of course with your authorization. No endless browsing. No guesswork. No fragmented process. From intent to action. Experience MotoSmith on SenseSpace, AI from knowing to doing.